At Cudmore Legal, we highly recommend our clients resolve their disputes through mediation and only go to court as a last resort. Mediation can take many forms, and mediators will often suggest a form of mediation that is best suited to the unique circumstances of the situation. Mediation is always confidential, regardless of what form it takes. The only exception to the rule is if the mediator is made aware of information that they believe may prove harmful to someone. Generally speaking, mediation starts with the introductions of everyone attending and the establishment of some ground rules. Each party then explains their point of view and what they believe the issues in dispute are. The mediator then attempts to help each party understand the problem and the opposing party's viewpoints. If an understanding can be reached, the mediator helps both parties come to an agreement. If an agreement cannot be reached, the mediator will provide each party with a Section 60I certificate to allow the parties to make an application to the court seeking parenting orders.